Understanding Hotshot, a guide to English slang. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English slang term, hotshot. This word pops up in movies, TV shows, and everyday conversation, but what does it really mean? Whether you're learning English or just love exploring new phrases, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery of hotshot together. Hotshot is a noun in English slang. It describes a person who is very skilled and successful in a particular field, especially someone who is very confident, sometimes to the point of arrogance. The term often implies that the person is showy or likes to attract attention. The term hotshot has an interesting history. It originated in the early 20th century and was initially used in a more literal sense to describe a fast train or a speedy aircraft. Over time, its meaning evolved to describe not just fast machines, but also people who are quick and impressive in their abilities. To understand how to use hotshot correctly, let's look at some examples. 1. He's the new hotshot lawyer at the firm, winning every case. 2. She's quite the hotshot in the marketing world, known for her innovative campaigns. 3. Don't let him intimidate you. He just thinks he's a hotshot because he won that award. Notice how hotshot can have both positive and slightly negative connotations depending on the context. If you want to use words similar to hotshot, consider these synonyms: whiz or whiz, ace, maven, virtuoso. Each of these carries a similar meaning but can have slightly different nuances. Hotshot often appears in popular culture, especially in movies and TV shows that depict highly skilled professionals or competitive environments. Recognizing this term can help you better understand these cultural references. That's a wrap on our exploration of the word hotshot. Now, when you hear this term in an English conversation or in media, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a language hotshot yourself. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning!